name is Omar, and I'm going to talk about the IBT TOEFL, the 5 skills we have to talk. The first one is skill 16. We have to distinguish about the countable and uncountable nouns. All the nouns are classified as either for the countable or uncountable. For example, the countable nouns are all that can be counted. 1, 2, or 100 are uncountables that cannot be counted. It is important to recognize the difference between countable and uncountable. For examples, for countable nouns we use many, number, few, or fewer, and for uncountable nouns we use much, amount, little, less. Examples of countables are a pencil, 2 cats, 3 houses, and uncountables a salt, a wood, a tea, etc. Another skill 22, we have to use ed and ing adjectives correctly with the forms of the verb. The verbs that ending in ed and ing can be used as adjectives. The difference between an ed adjective and ing adjective is similar to the difference between the active and the passive. We have to recording that an ing is an active and it does the action of the verb, and the ed is a passive and it receives the action of the verb. Next one is skill 23. These skills talk about how to use the articles in singular nouns. If a noun is either countable, plural, or uncountable, it's possible to have the definite article or not the article. With all countable singular nouns, we can use another determiner. For example, I have a money. This example is that it's uncountable and not have the article needed. I have books. It's countable and plural, but have no article. I have a books. This is countable singular, and I have a book. It's countable singular, and it's the article needed. The rule is that a single this is a singular noun must have an article or some other determiner. Another skill, skill 24. This is about how to put the a or an in a word. In reality, the rule is that we have to use in front of that word that begins with a consonant sound, or and that with a consonant sound, and that "an" is used in front of a word that begins with a vowel. We have to be careful the words of have the beginning of U, E, O, X, or H. The words that may begin with either a vowel or a consonant sound, for example, a university, a hand, a one-way street, a phoenix, a Xerox machine, etc. The last one is skill 25. In this skill we have to make articles agree with nouns. The definite article is used for both singular and plural nouns, so it's not problem with the definite article, because the use of the indefinite articles is different to a singular and the plural nouns. You must be careful of agreement between the indefinite article and the noun. For example, a very common agreement, he saw a new movies. That's incorrect. It's he saw new movies. We eliminate the article. They traveled to a nearby mountains. That's it's incorrect, and correctly is the travel to nearby mountains, and these are the 5 skills of the IBT TOEFL, and I have I think I have to practice more this this type of skills, because we have to remember and practice and practice and practice and practice, and that's all.